Captions can make or break your Instagram post, but let's be honest, writing them is frustrating. Today, I will show you how to use AI to create perfect Instagram captions in under 60 seconds, free, fast, and ready to post. Let's go. First off, ChatGPT. Just describe your photo and the style you want. For example, I'll ask it, write 5 funny Instagram captions for a travel photo in Paris. In seconds, ChatGPT gives me multiple options, funny, catchy, and Instagram ready. Here is one. Love is in the air. Or maybe that's just the smell of fresh grapes. Next, let's try Canva Magic. Now, with Canva Magic, why I like this tool is it's another free tool. You can easily type, write 3 short Instagram captions for a food photo. And boom, Canva gives me ready to use captions like good food equals good mood. You can copy and paste it directly into your post preview to see how it would look. I will just search for a template for an Instagram preview post for food, and then I will just paste my captions there and see how it's going to look, and select the best caption from ChatGPT and Canva. So I'm just going to use this food review post as an example, so that we are going to see how our caption is going to look. And that's it. 2 free AI tools that can generate Instagram captions in under a minute. Use ChatGPT for flexibility, creative captions, or Canva Magic right for quick, stylish ones. No more writer's block, just AI-powered captions ready to post. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more AI hacks every week.